Yo, what is up guys, Steel Vigo here, and welcome back to another video. And this video is a bit of a, gonna be a shorter one, maybe, and it's gonna be a relatively kind of less structured, and kind of maybe this might feel a little bit less professional for you guys than some of my normal ones, of my normal unboxings. And that's because this one's kind of a little bit of a shorter notice one, but not really. Basically, a few weeks ago, it was my birthday. In fact, as of the time that I was recording this, but you guys are seeing this probably in October, which is quite a few months after when my birthday was. And it just kind of, this arrived to me a few days after my birthday, when that was, from one of my friends, Haunt World, who I will link his channel down below in the description if you guys are seeing this video. This came from him. He sent me something for my birthday, which is really cool and really nice of him. And he suggested that I would do a bit of an unboxing for it. And so I decided that I would do that on camera. And it took me a few days to actually open it. And that's because I wanted to record an unboxing. So it kind of took me a while to get around to it. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. It's going to be kind of an unscripted, kind of quick one. And just kind of... So my setup isn't quite ideal. I didn't spend a whole lot of time getting the camera at the right angles and stuff, so I apologize for that. But without further ado, let me just show you the box real quick. I did take the tag off because it has, you know, shipping information from both him and me on it. So this is the box we're opening up here, and the thing was on the top, but I took off the tag. But I will now I'll just move the camera down and we can open it. So yeah. Alright guys, here we are. We got a bit of an awkward angle here, and it's the best I can get here. Also, I don't have my knife anymore. It still hasn't gotten back to me. I left it somewhere and they're sending it back. So I'm just going to have to use this kitchen knife thing. Not ideal, but let's just open it up now. I guess I'll open it this way, carefully. Here. This might not actually be... Let's actually flip it upside down, maybe. Either way, it's going to be a little bit awkward, I can tell. So, I'm not sure if he had an intended way I should open it. So, if I'm opening wrong, I apologize. This might be the incorrect way. Like I said, I wish I had my knife. Not the safest way of opening it here. But we're gonna make it work. Recording? Yep, I'm recording. Just making sure. Okay, so we're almost through. I would assume this is the right way. We're gonna assume it is. Yeah. Okay. Moment of truth. Let's see what we got. Let's see what kind of gift he sent me. And opening it up. Now, as you guys are gonna see, what he has sent me is the legendary Jangling Bones. Now, you guys might not know, most of you guys seeing this won't get the context of this, but he had a Jangling Bones, which is this one, that he told me he had, and I said I wanted it. I was willing to buy it from him, and we've talked about that ever since we first met, kind of. And now he has sent it to me, and you know, I'm really, you know, excited to have that, because, you know, I was actually going to go over there and visit at some point, and he ended up just sending it to me instead of, I was going to wait, and I was going to go over and I was going to get that. Now, he is, his torso is oof. But that's okay, because I can definitely fix that. And I actually, I was there when it broke too. I believe. Ow! Okay. I just got smacked in the face. By Jangling Bones. His leg is here, and you know, something else I was going to do was I was gonna do an audio rip for the this Jangling Bones when I bought it from him, but then he sent it to me as a gift, and so now I don't know if I'm going to do that because like I don't like to open up gifts, like, you know, open them like up like with a screwdriver or anything like that. And he is, you know, solvent. He is like, I guess it's solvent welded or hot glue. That could just be hot glue here, but oops, something fell. But yeah, he got me Jangling Bones, which is awesome. I'm really excited. So, you know, just kind of show you guys him. Similar to the one that my grandma gave me. I believe the finish is different, slightly. And his torso is messed up, but the rest of him is in decent condition, actually. Which is something that's different from my grandma's. This one was in near perfect condition at the time. So, yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Haunt World, for sending that gift over. One of the best gifts I've received this year. Certainly one that I can use in my haunt. Hopefully I don't get, well, I won't get it mixed up with the other one I have, but definitely one I think I'm actually going to probably keep in my room. I'm going to keep this guy in my room, actually. So yeah, that is really cool. I hope this camera angle hasn't been bad. Why don't we put some batteries in this thing, in Jangling Bones 2.0, or number 2, or the Haunt World Jangling Bones. Yeah, I'm gonna go get batteries. Alright guys, you got the batteries here. I couldn't remember somehow how many he had. I would assume, yep, it's 3. We're gonna put the 3 batteries in here now. We're gonna see if he works. I believe he does laugh. I just can't remember if he still shakes. If he still shakes, that'd be pretty cool. But if he doesn't, that's okay too. Okay, we're gonna close him up. His battery tray is most of this one is actually a lot better than the one my grandma had that she gave me. His jaw is a lot looser, but that's okay. I can kind of fix that with this little rubber band here. I can just tighten that, or I can use a hot glue, just another band on there. But it's really not a big deal. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. So, you can see that his eyes are flashing. I don't know where his sound is. Okay guys, so I'm just kind of trying to look at it and test it out. And so apparently this Jangling Bones particularly, he does not have, his sound, his speaker does not work, unfortunately, but that's okay because it's kind of cool like this, just kind of have him flickering. A lot of people find his laugh very, very annoying. Like Haunt World himself absolutely hates that laugh. I personally love it. He knows I love it. That's kind of why he gave this to me. And, you know, he's gotten to know me very well, so that is, you know, was very, very, very cool of him to send that, because he didn't even need to send me anything for my birthday. I was very surprised that, you know, he went that far. And I'm really actually happy to have this. It's, you know, he knows I love collecting, like, the Paper Match Group items, especially Jangling Bones, one of my favorite Halloween decorations of all time, even though a lot of people consider them to be kind of like cheap or whatever. But these are very old and vintage, so it's, you know, it's becoming a pretty rare item. So very, very awesome of him to send that. So Haunt World, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for this. You know, really made my day. And yeah, I'm gonna be keeping this one in my room. I have the other Jangling Bones is like over there and hanging up. I'm gonna be keeping this one in my room. And yeah, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing with him as far as, like, if I'm going to be audio ripping him and trying to repair his internals like his sound and his shaking. Or maybe I can just leave him like this. Because, you know, a lot of people definitely find that laugh to be annoying, even though I personally love it. I do not get sick of that laugh, believe it or not. I'm certainly going to be fixing his leg, his torso. Should be an easy enough fix. But yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, thank you so much, Mr. Haunt World, for the gift. If you haven't already, I'm sure most of you have, be sure to go subscribe to him. His channel will be in the description down below. And if you want to search for it yourself, it's just Haunt World. It'll be the one with the kind of the drawn pumpkin. There's another one that's got like the first result is not the one. I don't even know why I'm trying to explain this. I'll just link it down below, guys. You can find him. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.